second graders. Today for our lesson we are going to learn how to use our related addition and subtraction facts that we learned in the beginning of the year to help us check for our subtraction with our triple digits. So what I want to start out with first is I want you to try to think back in the beginning of the year when we were using our fact families. We were using our related addition and subtraction facts to find the sums of those numbers. So this is an example of our fact family that we did together in the beginning of the year. If you have the addition such as 2 plus 3 equals 5, we can just switch those numbers around and it equals the same thing. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now you can also use these addition sentences to create your subtraction sentences as well. So if we take our answer 5 minus 3, that equals 2. And 5 minus 2 equals 3. We're using the same numbers, just switching them around. That's making our related addition and subtraction facts. So we're going to use this idea, and we are going to bring it on over to our 3-digit subtraction to check for our answers. So if I had a problem that looked like this, 264 minus 127. We are going to start in the ones place like we always do. 4 minus 7. Where is there more? There's more on the floor. So we know the rule, we need to go next door. I'm going to go next door to my tens place. I'm going to take a 10 from them. I'm going to have 5 left, and I'm going to add those 10 ones to my one place. So 4 plus 10 is 14. Now I have more on top I'm able to subtract. 14 minus 7 equals 7. Over here in my tens place, 5 minus 2, I have 3 left. And in my hundreds place, I have 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So my answer for this subtraction problem is 137. Now we're going to take this sum that we came up with, or I'm sorry, the difference. We have 137 is our difference. We're going to take this difference and we're going to add it to this number right here. When you're checking for your work, you are going to move up in your number sentences. So we're going to take our difference, 137, and we are going to use our related addition fact to help solve this. So 137, and again I said you're going to be adding this number right here, 127. And the goal is to try to come up with this top number, 264. If we get this number, that means that our answer down here is correct. So let's double check. Over here in my ones place, I have 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Keep my 1 down here, and I bring my 10 up high. 1 10 plus 3 tens equals 4 tens. 4 tens plus 2 tens equals 6 tens. And in my hundreds place, I have 1 plus 110. I'm sorry, 1 plus 100 equals 200. So as you can see here, my sum of 264 matches my number over here that we started with, 264. If that matches, then you've done a great job. And you put a little check there that shows us that you checked your work and it was right. How about we do one more just to make sure you got it? I'm going to, let's see. I'll do 335 minus 176. All right, so first we need to solve for our subtraction problem, and we're going to start over here in my ones place. 5 minus 6, where is there more? There's more on the floor. We need to go next door. So let's go on over here to our tens place. If I take 1 10 from 3, I have 2 tens left, and I'm going to add those 10 ones over here to my ones place. 5 ones plus our 10 ones equals 15 ones. Now I can solve for our ones place because I have more on top. 15 minus 6 gives us 9. 2 minus 7. Uh-oh, there's more on the floor again. We need to head on over to our hundreds place. So I'm going to take 100. If I take 100 from 3, I'm left with 2. And we're going to add those tens over here to our tens place. 110 right in front of that one. So now we have 12 tens in our tens place. Now we can subtract. 12 minus 7 equals 5. And over here in our hundreds place we have 2 hundreds minus 100 equals 100. So hopefully this answer down here that Miss Baker came up with is going to equal up to this number right here if we add it to our second 3-digit number. So you're going to take 159, and again you're going to add it to our number going up. Make sure you're going up when you're checking. So this number right here, 176. Let's add these together. And again, you want to come up with this top number that we started with, 335. Go on over here to your ones place. 9 plus 6 equals 15. I leave my ones down low and I'm going to carry my 10 up high. 110 plus 5 tens equals 6 tens. 6 tens plus 7 tens equals 13. Carry my 1 over there to my hundreds place. And 100 plus 100 is 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds plus 1 more 100 is 3 in our hundreds place. And we came up with the same answer that we started with over here. So 335 matches our 335 that we started with in our subtraction problem. Give it a big old check. Did awesome. So that's how we're going to be using our related addition and subtraction facts to help us solve and make sure that we're getting the correct answers. You always want to go back and check to make sure that you're doing your problems right, and this is one way that you can do that.